Hello, dear friends. We have seen types of comedies in my previous video. Today, we are going to see or discuss module number 7, Nagmandala by Girish Karnad. This is the very famous drama of Girish Karnad. Girish Karnad, who was born in 19th May 1938 at Matheran, Bombay Presidency, which is now in Maharashtra, and died on 10th June 2019 at Bangalore, Karnataka. Girish Karnad is a well-known Indian playwright. He is an author, an actor, and film director whose movies and plays are written in Kannada language, and all these movies and plays explore the present by way of the past. Means there is a relevance of past life of Indian culture tradition, which is associated with the present. So he tried to bring forth past Indian civilization with various myths and stories in his almost every work of literature. After graduating from Karnataka University in 1958, Karnad studied philosophy, politics, and economics as a Rhodes Scholar at the University of Oxford. He was there from 1960 to 1963. He wrote his first play, the critically acclaimed play Yayati, in 1961 while still at Oxford, centered on the story of a mythological king, Yayati. You might have known about Yayati. The play established Karnad's use of the theme of history and mythology that would inform his work over the following decades. Karnad's next play, Tughlaq, published in 1964, tells the story of the 14th century Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq and remains among the best known of his works. These two dramas brought him a very famous Indian English dramatist. Sanskara, which is published in 1970, marked Karnad's entry into film making. Sanskar, the movie published in 1970, proved him as a great film director. He wrote the screenplay and played the lead role in the film, an adaptation of an anti-caste novel of the same name by U.R. Anantamurthy. Karnad followed with Vamsha Vriksha, which is published in 1971, co-directed by B.V. Karanth. During this period, Karnad continued to produce work as a playwright, including Haivadana in 1971, widely recognized as among the most important plays of post-independence India. For his contribution to theatre, he was awarded the Padma Shri by Indian government, one of the India's top civilian honors in 1974. Karnad, other well-known films in Kannada includes Tabaliyu Ninade Magane, published in 1977, Godhuli, and Ondanondu Kaladali, published in 1978. He also worked in Hindi, directing the critically acclaimed Utsav, which was published in 1984, an adaptation of Shudraka's 4th century Sanskrit play Mrachakatika. With the play Nagmandala 1988, Karnad framed an unhappy contemporary marriage in imagery drawn from Kannada folktales. So Nagamandala belongs to Kannada folktales, which was told by A.K. Ramanujan, and the Nagamandala was published in 1988.